VideoMate allows you to easily add product, testimonial, or promotional videos anywhere on your e-commerce store. Embed videos from YouTube, Vimeo, or MP4 and display them on product pages, homepage, CMS pages, or as banners and pop-ups. Enhance user engagement, build trust, and improve conversions with a clean and intuitive admin panel. Hi guys, this is module understanding video of the VideoMate module proceeding with the same. You have to install the module first on your store. To install the module, you have to click on the Upload a Module button. Then you will be having a pop-up on your screen where you have to click and select the file from your local to install the module. When the module is installed, you will be having a Configure button on your screen, clicking on which you will redirect to the General Setting page, where you will see that the module is, by default, disabled. So this is the General Setting page where you will see that the module is disabled. You have to click on the toggle to enable the module and click on Save. Now the configuration success message will be shown. It shows that the configuration is being saved successfully. When the module is installed, you will find it on the left menu of the screen. When you click there, you will find 3 tabs: General Setting, Video Library, and Video Widget. This is the General Setting page that was being shown here. Next, we are having the Video Library. When you click on it, you will be having a page where you can add the video libraries, where you can add the number of videos you want to be displayed and you want it to be configured. You will click on the Add New button. It will show a page where you can create new videos, so you have to enter the name. Next, you have to click on Upload Video. To upload a video, when you click on Add File, it will redirect you to your local system so that you can select the video and upload it here. When the video is uploaded, you will see that the video is uploaded. Next, we are having the Status tab where you can select to enable or disable this video. So we have enabled it and clicked on Save. Then the module will be saved. This video will be saved. The module on the screen, as you can see, is listed, and you can click on the Preview button to see the preview of the video you have uploaded. On the screen, you will find an Export button. You can export the data that you have created. Here there is a Delete button. You can delete the video in case you want it to be deleted from the screen. You can add multiple videos here. That will be helpful for creating the carousel and the float. So we have created one more video and clicked on Save so that it will be shown in the listing of the video library. Just create one more and you will find that it is also saved on the screen. You can see the 3 videos that we have uploaded. Next, if you have a number of videos uploaded here, then you can search it by their names. You can search if they have been enabled or disabled. You can search by the dates you have created, from or to. You can add the filter from 1 to next 15 days. Whatever the videos you have created within 15 days, it will give you the search data on your screen. In case one is disabled and you want disabled data to be displayed, you can click on it and you will find the disabled videos displayed on your screen. Whatever the search you have entered, it is being shown on the screen. A Reset button is there to reset all the data you have searched for. You can delete the video if needed. Next, we are having the video widget. When you click on the video widget, you will find a page which shows the Add Video Widget button, clicking on which you will be redirected to a form where you can create the video widget. You can configure the videos, how you want them to be displayed, and on which pages. Here, multiple options are given: homepage, new products, bestseller, category, and product. You can select any of them. First, let's add a homepage. Here you can choose multiple videos. The videos that are disabled will not be listed here. Only the enabled videos from the library will be listed. Next, you have the widget type, how you want your video to be displayed on the screen, in the type of widget, carousel, or floating. You can select any of them and can add the maximum number of videos you want to be displayed. You can add a heading. Next, you can add the seconds up to how many seconds your carousel will change the video. Now click on Save so that this video widget will be saved. You can add multiple types of widgets on multiple pages. Suppose we have selected Category Now. You can select on which category page you want it to be displayed. This is Auto Search. You will click on the Screen tab and search for a category. It will show the categories present on your store. You can select the video and save it as we have done earlier. Enable it and click on Save. Next, we have created a floating widget. You have to select the page and the video you want to display. Select the widget type as floating. Now we are creating the floating video. Next, in position, you can choose where to display the floating video. We have selected the left. Enable it. There is an option to remove the video from the page when it is closed. We have given a cross button on the screen, clicking on which the video will be closed and disappear from the screen. Click on Save. Now let's find how it works on the front end. So we'll move to the front end and see. This is the home page and this is how the video is being displayed. We have entered 2 videos to appear in the carousel, so the 2 videos are appearing. Next, we added a floating video. We created 2 carousels, so it is appearing on the category and home page. We created a floating widget for the bestseller page. This is the bestseller page on the screen, and the floating video is shown. You can click on the cross button, and it will disappear from the screen. In case you don't add that functionality, the video will keep appearing in a circle format. You can edit it and close it. Click on Save to save the changes. Go on the front end and refresh the page. Once the page is refreshed, you'll find the videos are still appearing. If you click on the cross, you'll see that the video is still appearing at the corner. Click on it again, and the video will keep playing on your screen. Go back to the front end. Now you can edit this video widget. Make any changes if needed and click on the Save button so that the video will be saved and changes will appear. Here, you can edit or delete any widget. Clicking on the Delete button, you'll find a pop-up. Confirm Delete and the widget will be removed. So this is how the VideoMate module and video library works on PrestaShop screen. Thank you.